Hi, Chris here. We're going to look at some awards in our course, and we're going to be able to issue them based on achievement or doing something within the course. And so I'm going to start by adding my nav bar. I'm going to edit this nav bar and add the awards into my nav bar. So I'm into the awards. It may ask you to make a copy of the original one. If it was a default, I'm going to add a new link, and I'm going to look for awards. There it is. I'm going to add that in and save and close. That awards icon is available to students and to teachers, and we'll see the student view in a minute as well. So I'm going to click on awards, and I'm going to look at course awards right now. So I have course awards. I don't have any awarded to this course yet, so I'm going to add a new award. I'm going to do two ones. I'm going to do a badge, and then I'm going to do a certificate. The badge, we're going to start right from scratch. Rather than using ones that are already there, we're going to create one from scratch. So the award is called Way to Get Started. And it could just be, if I want a description, submit to first Dropbox. And it's going to be a badge. I can decide if I want it to, for all my courses, or I just want it for this particular course. I can make it so it's available to anybody else as well, whatever you like to do there. I'm not going to put an expiry on it, but I am going to choose an award image. I can create my own if I want to, just by uploading any image you want, or I can go from the library. I'm going to take from the library. And in the library, I've got all these different ones I could look at. I can even say more, and they've got all kinds of ones here. I like the handshake ones. I'm going to say, here we go, select that. That's the badge that's going to show up for the student. I can change the issuer name if I want to and put some other things in. I decide to add in our website and my email address. Okay, so I'm going to save this one and close it. Here's the award now. I can edit some properties on it if I want to. I can give it number of credits. I haven't used the number of credits to mean anything yet, but that's okay. You can have it hidden until they earn it, or you can just have it there that they know it's coming up. And I'm going to, on this one, create a release condition saying if they submit to a folder, and the only folder I have down there is a test folder, create, then they're going to get this award. So I'll say save, and it's in there. The second thing I'm going to do is add a certificate. They look a little bit different. So I'm going to add an award to the course, and I've got some different certificates here. I'm going to pick one that's already exists that I've made before for now, and then we're going to show you how to create one of these later on. So I'm going to say add. Okay. The certificate, again, I can add it properties. I can have it worth, 3 credits, whatever those credits might mean to you. This one I'm not going to do release conditions. I'm going to instead award it myself. Okay. Back into awards. If I look at the classless awards, right now Billy Joel's earned this from a previous one I was doing a test. I'm going to award this Volt student. I'm going to issue him, I can issue any award I want to, but I'm going to issue him this certificate, and then he's going to earn the Way to Get Started one by submitting to a Dropbox assignment. So I'm going to issue him the completed certificate, great job, final mark 85%, issue. Now we're going to go in as a student and get him to earn the first award, the badge, and then he's also going to see the certificate award. I've logged into my student, and as soon as he logged in, this popped up for him where it said, congratulations, you've got this certificate. If he goes to view awards, he can see what awards he has, and if he clicks on this, he can actually generate the certificate. And here's the certificate, comes up as a PDF. Let's have a look. The template I've created, and all it did was fill in the things of the name of the course, the little typo that I put in there. Everything else was pre-done, and it time-stamped it as well for us, and that was the name of the course and who issued it. And we can change all those fields inside there. So that's kind of neat. There's a certificate he can print, put up on his wall. He can go back and see that anytime he wants to, so he can always reprint that award so he never loses it, and it can track all the way. If he's K to 12, it'll stay within his Brightspace, Minds Online, D2L, whatever you want to call it, course. So I'll get him to earn the other award. If I go to assignments, and he submits to that assignment, and he's just going to add from his Google Drive. He may put a comment, I hope I get an award. Submit. Done. I'm just going to go back to the home page of the course as the student. And I just refresh the page and pops up, congratulations, you got that badge. And I can see my awards now as a student again. And remember, that was automatically given to me as a badge. And I can click on it. It just tells you what the badge was about. and I could print it if I wanted to, but it's including my badge, and it automatically came to me because I submitted that assignment, so I didn't have to do anything to issue that award. Last thing, I wanted to show you an active class, and so I can see easy to track students who have completed the course. They got the certificate here, which I had to issue individually, but all the other ones popped up automatically for them that when they submitted their slideshow, when they were almost done their Google Sheets, when they finished their Google Sheets. And those icons I put in individually, and then I can track the rest of the students as they're going through to see where they're at in this Work at Your Own Pace course.